Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jael, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a super easy cut crease in semi-hooded eye like mine. But first, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so YouTube can alert you every time I upload a new video. Also, please make sure to stay until the end because I'm gonna I'm gonna tell you what I have prepared for my videos in October. So without further ado, let's begin. First, I'm gonna start with my brows using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in Blonde. I'm gonna speed up a little bit in this part because honestly I don't do much to my brows. I just fill them up a little bit to give them like some color, but nothing major.
Distance, oh yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell.
For this look, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow guards to help me with any fallout from the eyeshadows. And I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I love this one to prime my eyes and conceal my under eye circles or anything in general because it doesn't crease on me and it blends really easy. Now I'm gonna set my concealer with the Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation for Maybelline in the number 110. The idea is to get a perfect canvas for your eyeshadows. For this look, I'm gonna use the palette Soul from Colourpop, and I'm gonna start with the shade New Digs, and I'm gonna use this color as a transition shade. I'm gonna place the color like in the higher part of my lid towards the brow. I'm just gonna build the color little by little and blend it out really well to make sure that I don't have any hard edges or anything. So I'm gonna use the color 000 from the same palette. It's like a darker orange or bright orange, and I'm gonna use this color in the higher part of my crease to start giving like some dimension to my eyes. Without adding more product, I'm gonna take the first brush that we use to make sure that all the colors are blended out together and I don't have any harsh lines between the two colors. Now I'm gonna grab the color on Wind and I'm gonna start to create that line that we see on the cut crease looks. I'm gonna place the color again in the higher part of my crease so it's visible. And I'm gonna add the color little by little, building the intensity until I'm happy with it.
There's no heaven, there's no hell. Kill the church bell. We are silent, not all well.
For this look, you will notice that I'll go back a lot to the first brush that I use for this look, and the idea is to blend all the colors together and we don't have any harsh lines. For the actual cut crease, I'm gonna use the same Maybelline concealer, and you will see that I'm placing the concealer in the lower part of my crease. This way will be more visible when I place the color on top.
He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on point style. They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell. I'm not joining a race. I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference, not the distance. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it
Now,
better.
instead of using a light color, I'm gonna use floaties. It's like a shimmery orange color that is gonna contrast or like pop a little bit more with this look. I'm gonna place the color like in the 3/4 of my lid, and I'm gonna leave out the outer corner.
They can play well, but we foretell. Yes, we foretell. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Oh, 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 oh. Kill the church bell. We are silent, not unwell. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on point style. They can play well, but we foretell. Yes.
For the outer corners, I'm gonna use the color Hotel, and it's like a shimmery bronze color, a little bit darker than the orange I used in the lid, and this is going to create a little dimensions toward the end of the eye.
Well, but we foretell. It's a lucid light. He's a bit like James Dean's silky hair. If this is a dream, wake me. Winter, summer, we got time. Lucid light. Yes or no, high.
Now that the main colors are in place, I'm gonna go back to On Win, and I'm gonna intensify a little bit that brown to create that cut crease line.
They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell. I'm not joining a race. I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and
After all the colors are blended, I like to use a angle brush with the dark color to make sure that the line is precise and defined.
difference, not the distance. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on point style. They can
For this look, I want like a skinny, really thin eyeliner. So I'm gonna use the Inglot. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand correctly, but I really like this one to create that thin line, even though today it wasn't the best day for eyeliner.
foretell. There's no heaven, there's no hell. Oh, 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 oh. Kill the church bell. We are silent.
Now I'm gonna remove the eyeshadow guards. Yes, it was painful and I don't think I'm gonna use them again. Now, moving to the complexion, I'm gonna use the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in Porcelain. To conceal my under eye circles and brighten the center of my face, I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used at the beginning, the Maybelline Age Rewind. And to set everything in place, I'm gonna use once again the same powder, the Maybelline Stay Powder Foundation, all over my face, focusing on the under eye and the T-zone. To bring back some dimension to my face and contour a little bit, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Dim Light. Moving back to the eyes, I'm gonna use the first two colors that we use for the lid, and I'm gonna smoke them out in the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the brighter orange to define the lash line. To brighten my inner corners, I'm gonna use the highlighter from Ofra in the color Star Island. For blush, I'm using the Jouer Adore Blush Duo in the color Hold Me. To fix a little bit my eyeliner, I'm using the Better Than Sex eyeliner from Too Faced, and I'm using to sharpen the wing. For lashes, I'm gonna be trying out for the first time the Falscara from Kiss. In my opinion, it wasn't difficult, it wasn't easy either, but maybe it's because I'm really bad at applying lashes. The process goes to you apply the bond first, and then you stick the lashes underneath your own lashes, and then you apply the seal to get rid of the stickiness of the bond. I need to play a little bit more with it, but so far so good. For mascara, I'm using the High Mile mascara from Wonder. To highlight my face, I'm using the same highlighter from Ofra. To line my lips, I'm using the Dose of Color Undressed Lip Liner. I'm not a huge fan of the super lined lips, so I like to apply the product and smash it out a little bit with my finger. And for lip gloss, I'm using Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Coqueta. Okay, here is the complete look. I hope you like it and you learn one or two tips that can be useful for you. Also, as I mentioned at the beginning of my video, I was going to tell you what I have prepared for October, and October is Halloween. So in the next 4 weeks, I'm going to show you 4 super easy and fun looks that you can rock in your Zoom Halloween party, or to have fun and upload videos, photos, or whatever to your social media. So please stay tuned to my videos the following weeks, that you're really gonna enjoy them. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.